Here we are looking at a Thor Motorcoach Omni, and this is an AX29 on the Ford F550 chassis. It's also a 4x4 with a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel. What did I do? A quick look on the outside, and here's one bay. Here's your coach batteries. Here's a nice little pass-through bay with rototast. Here's a really big storage. Could also be a outdoor kitchen if there was a kitchen facilities. And here is your propane tank here. Notice they have nice little blackout wheels. All right, here's a quick view of the floor plan. Let's go inside and see what this is all about. Hey, the air conditioner's running in here.
I know, isn't that great?
Yeah?
I know.
Well,
love the air
great.
conditioner. It is, and I'm going to tell you one thing. If I had this coach, I would have to go out the door, go around to the middle door to get in, because it's going to be really, really hard, for want of a better word, to get out of here. It was very hard to get in when I came in through the middle door and try to come down through. So if it was raining, I would not like having to get out and go around, because it is a very tight fit here.
A bit of a shoehorn, huh?
It is, but we are in. You can see here we got our panel, and there's the display. Do not touch during installation, so I'm not going to touch anything, but it's our radio and our backup camera. Over here is our display.
Display,
Is
gauges,
analog.
instrument cluster,
It
that
is.
sort of thing.
Yes, and I'm going to turn it off now so you won't see this. It is a pretty much like a car type setup. As you can see, you have your regular radios, your regular air conditioning, your seat controls, heated seats, you have your lighter, all the pretty much normal stuff that you would have. You have your mirror controls over here, and you also have your lock controls. You have your phone controls, everything pretty much at your hands, and literally everything is very close to you, because it's a very closed-in feeling, to be honest with you. There is a glove compartment over on this side. There are cup holders here. Now, one thing I will say, I'm going to try to crawl out of here, and I'm going to let Ben let you start heading towards the next section, where I try to crawl out of here so you don't see how ungraceful I am.
Well, let's see, this has looked like they have a big panel that comes down here to cover over the sun screen here. Two very big windows on either side. And this part right here, when she gets out of here, we're going to pull this forward.
Yeah, you can
you'll
see
see
here it's a very tight fit, and I have to step up now that I'm out. So I would not like to do it this way, quite frankly. But this is the bed. Ben has to fix everything. So he's working on the bed, making it nice and tight.
There
So
we
you
go.
can really sleep under the stars. You got a window there, and a window over on the other side.
And also, there are two cup holders over there, and a cubby right here for those of you who may need to store stuff. And what's that? We have two drawers under.
Right, they're very
done
short
it.
again.
Okay, and
This does make into a bed.
yes, it does.
We do have the 4 cabinets up above that are pass-through.
Yes, all four here. And a wonderful view here from the dinette.
So when you come in the door, you're literally at the dining room, and on this side is your kitchen. You have some cabinets right here.
And we have one over the door.
Correct. And you have one more over the microwave.
But that's not just a microwave.
It's
That's
also
a
a
microwave convection oven.
It
Yes.
is. It is.
And look, we have a hybrid system here.
Oh, we do.
We have two
Induction.
propane burners and an induction cooktop.
Yeah. Okay. So you can do either. You do have your drainer.
Oh, what? I love doing this. See?
And why do you like doing that?
Because I know at that, and woohoo!
Okay then. Underneath, we do have a lot of space under the sink.
Look, and there's our $500 trash can on its side.
Yeah,
Sad.
I think that subtracts $100. We do have a drawer here. Nice big one.
Yes, they do.
And
put a
this
lot of
here
pots
is
and
literally a
pans.
false panel.
That's just
So
a false panel, yeah.
now the refrigerator is right here. As
Well,
you
it's
can
not
see.
quite unpacked here.
Yeah.
But it looks like it has more than enough storage space, and there's a shelf in the freezer.
Yeah, these are show models, so you know that sometimes all the packing and stuff hasn't been done. Now what I'm going to show you next is kind of weird because usually you expect to see the living room up front, but as you saw in the dining room and the kitchen, this is your cabinet or armoire. There's your closet where you can hang things. There is a space here.
I'm not sure if that's the hidden storage space here.
Well, I think it is because what they did is these drawers only go out so far. So when these drawers stop, then you have that space there. It's kind of hidden.
Well, here's where the remote controls are hiding.
Yeah, but you see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
These come out, and then you have that space back there. It's kind of hidden when your clothes are there. So
Right.
it has hidden storage kind of. And you have 6 total drawers. These are a little bit deeper. It does have the floor vents, as you can see. Now, this is where I'm going to need Ben's help. Here is the couch. This is all the way at the back of the RV now. This is a couch. The TV is right across from it, but I do not know what kind of couch it is. I have been trying to pull it
This
apart.
is a Murphy bed.
Oh, and how do you make it into a bed?
So basically, you
Let
have
me
to come
hold
and
the
take the
camera.
cushions out of there.
And show me.
Take these out here,
Oh, okay.
and then this whole thing.
Ah, there we go. Somehow that comes down. Okay.
Oh,
Don't break it. But okay, I see it now. I can see the mattress back there.
Yes, but somehow this.
There's probably a
pivots.
release switch somewhere.
Well, yeah.
I was wondering why I couldn't figure out that thing. Now I know. There you go. That goes up.
Oh, okay. There's got to be a trick to it, folks, but maybe. Okay.
It's definitely, the bed's back there. Now that you point that out, I see the mattresses and everything.
Right.
Okay.
So it's supposed to.
Honey, these bars are in there solid. So
Huh?
these are you know,
Yes, but it's got to be.
they might be overly tight. You know,
Maybe
again,
it's electric.
this just came from, yeah, it might be electric. It came from the manufacturer, but there is actually a bed back there. So just so you know.
But we don't know exactly.
But we really don't want to break it. So we're going to
Yeah.
just let you know that that turns into a bed. So now we're in the bedroom and the living room. So while Ben's trying to look for that switch, let me show you a
Well,
few
anyway.
cabinets. Across the way, there's a couple cabinets. Nice and big. I guess this could be your pantry area.
If anybody knows how to take the bed down, please let us know.
Yes, let us know how to do that bed. There has to be a way. And we have 4 drawers here. Okay. Over here we above the TV set. We do have a nice cabinet with a shelf in the back.
Very big.
We have a TV, and I don't know where the remote is, so I can't change the channel or anything. There is a switch here, so I believe there is storage space behind it. But again, Ben got it. There you go. More storage there behind the TV. Thank you, Ben.
Good for.
I don't know if it's my fingers or all these new contraptions. Okay, and you got a nice big drawer here, and your fireplace. And then right past that, you have your bathroom. There's Ben in the shower.
Well, I'd say this is about a 6 out of a 10, because this is really kind of not even close to where I need it to be. And but at least I don't have to hit my head. But this crazy guillotine bar, yeah, I hit my head again. If that had been really sharp, but it would take my head right off.
Yeah, I have to admit, these particular RVs that we're reviewing today, they've been a little hard. The pulls are nice and tight, being a new vehicle, and as you saw, Ben in that, so a little bit banged up, and no chocolate chip stuff on my fingers.
How did you get chocolate chip on you?
I'm eating while on the job.
Oh, okay. Well, here we
I have
have
a snack bar, folks. Sorry.
a 3-shelf medicine cabinet.
Right. Nice space there. A nice cabinet here,
Wow, look at that one.
and some more storage over here.
Yeah, that's a little narrower than the other one.
We do
And
have a plug up
a
here.
real towel bar.
Real towel bar.
Plugged way up there. That's
Yeah.
interesting.
I really appreciate the towel bars.
What we got down here?
Down here we have under the sink space. Ooh, water filter
Water filter.
inside.
Interesting.
And over here we have a cabinet.
Look at that. All right. Well,
And over here we have the toilet paper and some more storage.
So the toilet holder is over here,
Mm-hmm.
and a little shelf you could probably put your little tap there.
And this is your egress window here.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, and we have some light controls here,
Mm-hmm.
as well as our Suburban hot water heater control for tankless hot water.
Absolutely. And folks, I'm sorry about eating on the job. I'm trying to do more of a plant-based diet, and this has no sugar in it, so no chocolate or no added sugar, I should say. It does have some chocolate chips in it, so needed a little more energy to get through the afternoon. You must know how it is. Anyway, so Ben, I think we've looked at this RV. Are we ready to move on to the next one?
We are, and just want you to thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and always remember to open the doors to adventure
And start all your journeys
with the
the
RVTs. Have a great day.